y'all, welcome back to another video. We hopping in the truck once again to get a car wash. Let me put this, can y'all see me better now? This tent I got on here makes it so dark in here when there's no sunlight. Is that better? Okay, that's just from rolling the window down. So like I said before, we are on the way to go get the car washed for the first time. I'm gonna wash the car myself. I'm gonna take it to the self car wash, and we're gonna try to wash it like that because, as y'all know, I'm in a condo and I don't have access to hose in the water or anything like that. So I could use my truck to go ahead and wash it, but I feel like it would be easier just to go to the stand and wash it that way instead of pulling my truck out, starting generator, and doing that stuff. If y'all can tell, it's dark in here. Hold on, let me turn the lights on. It looks so dark in here. It looks like I'm just sitting and nothing's behind me, but I'll roll this window up and show y'all the difference. That's pretty crazy. I'm gonna roll it back down so I can finish talking to y'all. But on this window, I got 15 on both of the fronts. The back, well, the whole car besides the front is 5%. Front of the car is also tinted. It's about, what was it? 50. It's 50. All I needed was 50, and the rest of the car looks great. Look at her. She looks so stupid. I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should keep that car or sell it? I'm debating on selling it to make room for the next car because I can't have 4 freaking cars. Yeah. Let me show y'all the ambient lighting, man, with the tint. It looks so nice. Alright, y'all. I got the GoPro with me, as y'all can tell, make it a little easier so I can talk to y'all while driving and kind of get y'all first POV of the car for real. Honestly, bro, this car, I've had it for over 2 weeks now. It's been amazing, and honestly, I haven't put that many miles on it. I brought the car 2 weeks. You know, usually put like 2,000 miles on the car. I only put like 500 miles. I haven't really been driving much, or I haven't been driving this car much, but it's great on gas, I can't tell you that. So if y'all are looking to get an X7 or possibly even an X5, it's definitely worth the buy. I'm honestly super excited. Like, filming this POV already got me super excited to record this truck. It got some speed to it. As y'all know, it has the B58 in it. It has some speed to it. Not even tuned yet. This car keeps up with crazy stuff. Not like, it weighs over 6,000 pounds, but it is all-wheel drive. It does make a good amount of power. We will be getting this thing tuned to go even faster. But y'all already know your boy got some car parts on the way already. So those coming in soon. Those videos will be rolling in. But as far as the car, after owning it for 2 weeks, it's a great car, man. And I haven't seen no one do any content on this truck yet. This is a great truck. Everybody's there. If you're looking to buy a car in this range, you're looking to do content, most people will go the Durango way. I'm not a Dodge guy at all. It's not equivalent at all, if you ask me. Like, a Durango compared to this is kind of crazy. Like, let's just talk about it. But I'm not here to bash anybody. If you love Durangos, love them. But that's just me personally. I'm more of a comfort, you know, ambient lighting type of guy. I could be biased too, because I mean, you got your Benz guys, you got your Audi guys, and then you got me, BMW all the way. So this is the first car of the year that we are looking into, or that we did get. I am looking into another vehicle. I'm pretty sure you know what it is. If you don't know what it is, then you just ain't been tuned in, because honestly, we looked at this car a couple of times. I mean, I think we looked at like two different cars. So y'all it could be confusing what I'm talking about. So let me know how y'all like the POV videos, and we can keep doing this, man. We can keep doing this. I'm not swerving through traffic crazy or doing no stupid bullshit. I took the wrong fucking exit. A race, cool. You know, I'm not swerving through traffic to get nowhere. As y'all can see, it does have a little get up, and that was like 50% throttle right there. I am in a police infested area, and I will not be getting a ticket today. please leave me alone. Like I was saying, y'all, what do y'all think about the POV videos? Is this something y'all into? So comment down below. Let me know if y'all messing with the POV videos. I do enjoy doing this. I was doing them prior on a Porsche. I just kind of stopped, but I'm back at it. Is this light bothering y'all? Like, should I close that? I don't know. It shouldn't bother y'all, right? I mean, y'all can see more of the truck. And even though I did give y'all kind of like a little thorough review of it when I first brought it. Nice bike right there. I thought about getting a bike a couple times, but every time I think about it and then get like this close, I change my mind again. I come to my senses. I just come to my senses. I'm not ready for a bike. I don't think I'm gonna ever be ready for a bike. If I ever get one, it would just have to be, it would be an impulse, honestly. And I'm pretty sure I'll enjoy it, but I'm always changing my mind back to, nah, I'm cool. All right, just pulled up to the self car wash. All right, I got here and realized I left my wallet, but I only have $3 in coins. So let's see if this works. Oh shit, they do card now? How much does it take to start it though? It's literally $3 just to start. Hold on. Let me get my Apple Pay. Since they got Apple Pay, we're just gonna use that. But let me show you how dirty the car is. Dirty this car is. I'm not sure if it's coming out on camera, but the car is filthy. Y'all see that? Hold on. All right, y'all should hear me now. This thing is filthy. There's dirt all on there. I'm not sure if y'all able to see it, but we're about to go ahead and get this thing washed. We do have this little foam, and don't use the brush. Remember that. Never use the brush. Just a gun and a foam. I have a dryer at this one too. Put it back on water real quick. Towels right here. Let me hit it with. It's pretty much just after I air dried it, so just give it a little microfiber towel wash. And it already looks so much better, honestly. That was easy. I pulled up, it was packed. Now I'm the only one here. Mind you, that took like maybe 15 minutes. Dude, the front grill on this thing is massive. Stay tuned because we're gonna do something with that grill real soon. I already got some parts on the way, but that grill, specific grill, is gonna change real soon, sooner than you think actually. So see, look, I miss spots like this. Yeah, man. If y'all ever just want to wash the car, like go to your local thing for $10. You get your car spot clean, especially if you come every week and you like keep coming every week. Not with your truck not gonna be that dirty to require a full detail all the time. Hey, wipe the mats off with some of this Florex right here. Get them looking nice and black again. Tell y'all, this stuff works good. Florex. Hold on, 18-wheeler passing by. Florex works real good. I use that while detailing. Spray some of that on the mats, then wipe it off. Now your mats look all new again. Some tire cleaner. I don't recommend this one. It's just the only one they have right now. Smells good. That's about it. Alright. We are done with the car wash. Wait for the beep 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 to stop. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put the car in the sun so we can get a good look at it. And if y'all live in an apartment or a condo or anywhere where y'all feel like y'all don't have access or anywhere to wash your car comfortably, I suggest y'all just pull up in here every week and knock it out. Super easy, super safe. Just don't put the brush on the paint, please. Let me go ahead and show y'all what this thing looking like. Put it apart. As y'all can see, I did the interior too. Did the mats and all that stuff. Alright, as y'all can see, she's looking super clean now. I got the tire shine I tried. It's not too bad. I don't like it too glossy, so it's not as glossy as I thought it was gonna be. We just gotta see how long it lasts. The car looks so much better, dude. I don't want y'all to see my temp tags. But yeah. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all do the same thing to y'all cars. This guy's looking at me, I feel weird. Anyways, let me know if y'all do this to y'all car. I know people be like, why the hell is he talking to a camera? But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hey, let me see. There's a back, nice and clean, as y'all can see. Yeah, man, she came out super good. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new truck. This is the third video on the truck. Sitting right now, it looks super fucking pretty, dude. It looks beautiful. I love it. Wheels coming soon. We do have, even though we're getting some new wheels, we do have M Sport wheels. Obviously, this is the M Sport package. M Sport front bumper, back bumper, all of the information, edge drive, B58. Yeah, so we out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And yeah, man, hopefully I helped y'all out with that information on how to get y'all car washed while staying in an apartment or a condo or a townhouse. So yeah, man, hopefully I helped y'all with the information if y'all stay in a townhouse or a condo or anything like that. See y'all on the next video. Peace.